once again. So in continuation to the circle that we were talking about, there are lots of things that you can do. But one very interesting thing that I have here is, ask your children to cut out a circle. So this is a circle and let them get introduced to what is a semicircle. Semicircle is when I fold this and I get two equal parts, it is called a semicircle. You can use some chart paper, origami paper, colored paper, whatever you have at home. Make sure you use the safety scissors again. So this, ask them to cut out a circle and ask them to take any thread, coir thread or satin ribbon, whatever they may have. I have a thread here and I am going to keep one end of the thread at one particular place. In fact, you could even stick it with a little bit of a gum or a sellotape and wind it all the way along the periphery, and this is what we call as circumference, which they will come to later. So mark the point where it meets the beginning point here. So this is where the length of the entire periphery of my circle that I've cut is. Keep this on a ruler and measure it. Make a note of it. Now fold this into two equal parts and take a semicircle. Make sure that you take another piece of thread or the same piece of thread once you have taken the marking there and measure this length. This is actually called the diameter. And then take it out, measure it, and then when you see the first length that you took for the periphery or the circumference and you divide it by this length, you will find that it is somewhere close to around 3. Now okay, it happened in this particular circle. Does it happen in every circle? Let's try it out. Cut out another circle which is smaller and cut out, again measure it along the periphery of the circumference, find out what the number is, cut it out into two equal parts and then measure this length which is called the diameter and find out, you will find that in every circle, what you are measuring here along the periphery, the circumference, divided by what you're measuring here as a diameter will always give you the same number. Try this out.